Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner, set of 2, for Blodgett part number 7942. Burner, set of 2, for Blodgett part number 7942 is a set of 2 burners designed to fit Blodgett ovens. The burners are made from stainless steel and feature a durable construction that is designed to last. The burners are designed to provide even heat distribution and are easy to install. They are also designed to be energy efficient, helping to reduce energy costs. The set includes 2 burners, mounting hardware, and instructions for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement set of 2 burners for Blodgett ovens. It is designed to replace worn or damaged burners and restore the oven to proper working condition. The symptoms it fixes include poor heat distribution, uneven cooking, and inefficient fuel consumption. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Remove the existing burner and any other components that may be in the way of the new burner installation. 3. Place the new burner into position and secure it with screws or bolts, as necessary. 4. Connect the gas supply line to the new burner using a flexible gas connector or other approved method. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for leaks using a soapy water solution or other approved leak detection method. 6. Light the pilot. Light on each burner, if applicable, and adjust as necessary for proper. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.